What's up, guys, and welcome. You are watching Fazi Fitness. A few days ago, the crew on Fawaz channel was discussing the possible top 5 at the upcoming Olympia and the possibility of Andrew Jack being in those top spots. Nick Walker called attention towards Samson and the fact that him and everyone else should be more concerned about him.
I'm more concerned about Samson.
If we look at Samson's previous contests this year, he only had one weakness. He needed more back. And boy, did he deliver. I'm sure this will be one of the most impressive Samson's physique updates till date. Those hanging lats are reminiscent of some of the best bodybuilders from the past. He has added thickness and density from every angle. Those aren't Johnny Jackson traps as of now, but certainly one of the best today. Samson keeps saying he wants a top 10 finish at his first ever Olympia. But if he peaks similar to the Arnold Classic finals, he is gonna turn heads at the Olympia. Certainly a dark horse for this year.
I told you he's my dark horse, man.
And keep in mind, he didn't have a proper off-season like Hunter Labrada or Nick Walker. He was competing till the middle of March. Then he had a 6 weeks recovery phase. So technically, his off-season started at the beginning of May. So, incredible amount of progress made in a few months. One can only imagine what Samson can bring to the table if he manages to crack top 5 at the Olympia, gets the automatic qualification for next year, and takes the entire year off and grow. Although, we don't know how bigger he can get. I mean, he already touched 330 pounds this year. So, where do you guys see Samson placing at the upcoming Olympia? Rafael Brandao and Samson went back and forth in 2021, beating each other in 2 different shows. At Prague Pro, Samson beat Rafael. This was Samson's first pro win. A week later, Rafael beat Samson at Romania and earned his spot at the Olympia stage. Rafael does look great at the end of his off-season, but don't think he has progressed as fast as Samson. According to Chris Aceto, Rafael's coach, he was having a minor chest injury in 2021, but still managed to beat Samson. Can Brandao shock the world and crack top 10 in the lineup, which appears to be the most competitive in recent years? We all love Big Ramy updates, so here are the latest. Credits to Dennis James for putting out content for us bodybuilding fans. Ramy looks more motivated than ever to earn the 3rd consecutive send-out of his career come December. Assuming he trained for just 14 weeks in 2021 and still beat the best guys in the world, how crazy it is that Ramy looks so good at 15 weeks out this year. Is it gonna be lights out this year when Ramy walks on that stage? We will have to wait and see. An interesting reply by the Beast, Roelly Winklaar, to a question regarding what he would change about himself if he can go back in time.
If I can change, I would train a little bit lighter than
smarter.
But do you think you would have achieved the same physique, or do you think your physique would have been less impressive?
That's no matter. I think
still would have been the same. I think even better.
Yep, he said he trained way too heavy in the past and should have trained a little lighter. And that is why Dexter Jackson is one of the greatest of all time, and his record of most pro wins will likely never be broken. he didn't try to break any records. He trained very smart. Correct me if I'm wrong here. I don't think Dexter had a major injury throughout his long career. William Bonac also admired Dexter in that same video, emphasizing how bodybuilders can still train hard without using tons of weight that would risk injury in the long run.
Just have to let the ego go like Dexter did, and that's the only reason why he kept it so long, because he was training smart, and people back in his days were laughing at him like, oh, he doesn't train like Bridge, oh, he doesn't train like this, but he still made it through 3 generations, so.
It is sad that Roelly is realizing this at the tail end of his career. William Bonac definitely has some years left before he retires, and we saw how great he looked at the Arnold Classic this year. On the other hand, the legend Dexter Jackson is killing it in the gym at 52 years of age. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video and smash the subscribe button if you want to come back for more. Thanks for watching.